In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show weekends on calendar in Monday.com. If you've ever looked at your Monday.com calendar and noticed that Saturdays and Sundays are missing, it's usually because of a simple account setting. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where that setting lives and how to turn weekends on, so they appear alongside your weekdays in calendar views. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with different options related to your account and workspace. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Administration. This is where all the main workspace and account settings are managed. Click on Administration. Keep in mind that you'll need to have the right permissions, typically as an admin, to access this section. If you don't see it, you may need to ask your account admin to make this change for you. Once you're in the administration area, you will see several tabs or sections on the left-hand side. Find and click on the section called General. The General section controls a lot of the overall behavior of your account, including how dates and calendars are displayed. Within the General settings, look for the option called Account. Go ahead and click on Account to open the account level preferences. This is where you can adjust things like language, time zone, and, importantly for this video, how your calendar handles weekends. Inside the account settings, scroll until you find an option labeled Show Weekend. This is often presented as a toggle or checkbox. If weekends are currently hidden from your calendar, this option will be turned off. Simply click to turn on Show Weekend. Once it's enabled, Monday.com will start displaying Saturdays and Sundays on the calendar views across your account. After you've turned this on, you can return to any board with a calendar view or timeline view and refresh the